and then he made a hole, and then he stuck a fucking glue bottle in it and sent it to me. It's now my avatar.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
I don't know anymore.
It's the OG, my dude.
Yeah.
Link me. And check his avatar.
Streaming on Pornhub.
Yeah, man. Pornhub Live.
You know you can see Minecraft videos on
Yeah,
Pornhub.
Pornhub Live has been a thing for a very long time, James.
You can pay, so people can pay you to watch you play games. And then donate. You take the URL that's on the top.
They get knocked down, they get up again. Bam, 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 bam. I've been doing that voice in work at the end of every day after the bosses leave, and
What's the...
it's really annoying because one guy is actually from that part of the world, so I'll just turn to him like, "Hey Neil, you wanna go get some beef, bae?" And he'll just look at me like, "What the fuck, even are you?"
Kerbas, what's the stream called?
The struggle.png. Yeah, man. I mean, it kind of makes sense. Yay, Kerbas!
Oh,
Hello!
no. Is it now we can say nigger?
I mean, it kind of makes sense. Yay,
Oh,
Kerbas!
no.
Okay, there's about a 7-second delay. That's good.
Oh, no.
And I'm turning the volume
Is it
down.
now we can say nigger?
Yay,
Oh, no.
Kerbas! Okay, there's about a 7-second delay. That's good. And I'm turning the volume
Is it
down.
now we can say nigger? Oh no, it loops.
Yeah, there's an infinite loop, my dude! Oh my god!
Oh,
Arma
no.
3, playing with morphine. James uses Ace?
Yeah.
What?
That was actually pretty fun to record as well. It's absolutely shit. It was all edited on Microsoft Movie Maker.
Well, we're gonna be using Ace later if you want to join in with us.
What the fuck?
What?
Is that Elsa? No. No,
Yes,
Anna.
You
That's...
didn't notice until now.
No, because I haven't had the fucking thing open, have I?
Yeah, man.
What kind of psychotic shit are you doing, Mark?
That's whenever I lived alone. I could do anything I wanted to.
Including, but not limited to this.
Yep. Sticking a knife down my throat.
Right. So what do you recommend that I actually do here?
Right. Okay. The logic is, if the thing below you is not equal to a data cube, do something. Can you delete all of your logic?
Yes.
Okay. Get rid of all of it.
They're like, fuck logic.
Yeah, man.
That hurt.
What? You've got like 5 if statements. You're fine. Don't worry about it.
Got the slow track.
Yeah. Right, okay. So, pick up below, step down. Okay?
Okay.
I'm trying to think, is there going to be... You could probably do some sort of binary pattern here. If you go down, and then right, then down, then right, then down, then right, forever, until you reach a wall, and then down, then left, then down, then left, then down, then left, then down, then left. And then, whenever you reach a wall, you would go up and right, up and right, and up and right, and up and right, and up and right, and up and right. Why are you drawing a penis?
That was a big dick move.
Yeah, man.
You're feeling quite cocky, aren't you?
Rock solid.
Genitalia.
Can you? You could just put the logic in for each one at a time. So, if you press play, what happens now?
They all move at the same time, and then
Right,
just
show me.
stand there.
Show me.
Yeah, it's playing. Remember, you're 7 seconds behind.
I'm 7 seconds in the future, brother. You just don't know it.
But are they supposed to pick them up?
Yes.
Okay,
You see that
so
command that says pick
put-
up?
Put an if statement in there, and if the block below them is not equal to a data cube, then move right.
Can they overlap each other?
No, if the block below them is a data cube,
Oh, is.
move right. Yeah, is a data cube,
Okay.
and then step right, and then inside that logic, if the cube below them is equal to empty, move down.
If below is
Wait, no,
equal-
James. Oh, here you go. Here's your logic. Here's your logic, right? So pick it up, move down. If the thing below them is a data cube, move right.
Yep.
Okay, and then this will just get the first one. And then once they've moved right, if the thing below them is empty, then place a block and step down. That, in theory, will put your first cube beside 56. But you always have to jump back to the start of that step right, sorry. So if the thing below you is equal to a data cube, then there's no way you can move down. In that case, then, you want to move left until the thing below you is nothing, and then whenever it is nothing, then you have to put your block down and then move through that block. Make sense?
Sort of.
Right. Let me do a snipping tool and draw what you need to do.
I'm gonna try and spruce up something that I think you're on about. So if below is not a data cube, step down.
What if you tell them
Jump, repeat.
all to constantly move right, then down,
Step.
then left and
James,
down,
check my avatar.
and just continue doing that until they're all through?
So in my avatar, James, this is the logic for the first guy. Pick the thing up, move down. If the thing below you is a data cube, then move right. Check the thing below you. If it's a data cube, move right. Check the thing below you. If it's empty, place the block and move down.
Right, I think that's what I'm roughly doing.
Right.
Else.
Try that and see what happens there.
Place. If equal. So else if below.
But tell you what, I'm
Equals
going to write out the actual code for it
nothing.
and see if you can convert it into that thing.
If I can do that, that's impressive.
Yeah. If...
Let's have a look, see if that works. They're like little ants. Right, now they're just walking into a wall continuously. Right, so I'm
Okay.
somewhat there.
Did the first one place his block down?
Yes. The rest of them then continue to walk into the side
Okay.
of the wall.
Okay, so then you got to have an else statement. Or another if statement inside that. Can you say if they reach a wall?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So if they reach a wall, can you tell them to go in the opposite direction of the wall?
Thing equal to a wall. Tell them to go down 2 first. So
Yeah.
if that's jump to... where is it? Jump to here?
You want to put that same logic then in reverse. So instead of going right, they go
No.
left.
Yeah, no, I know that. I'm trying to figure out. So if equal to a wall, that's step down. I'm not even going to bother trying to do that neat and tidy. I'm just going to... This is something I've noticed with coding, is that I can try and make it look tidy, but that's going to require extra effort, and I can't be fucked.
Yeah.
If equal to a wall, step down, and I need to basically copy the section above and swap it from moving to the right to the left.
Yep. God, I wish this had functions. If this had functions, that would be so good.
It has functions later on.
Okay, because if this was a function, this would be so easy. If this was a function, you would pass a parameter what direction it needs to go, left or right.
Because I know it has functions for decimals later on.
Yeah, because then if that was the case, then if you had a function where 0.1 was left and 0.2 was right, and if you have an if statement in there that checks that number, and then determines the direction to move.
Left equal to a... No, if underneath equal to a data cube, move left, and then I want that to jump so it repeats that process until it reaches something that isn't a data cube, else drop. And then I want that to basically start from the beginning again.
Makes sense. See, look at this. No fucking numbers. You could take this and put this anywhere.
Let's see if this works. I've probably made a tremendous mistake somewhere. There is a wall there. Why aren't you going down?
Okay. No, your logic makes sense. They're never getting to the wall part because they're always stepping right. They're stuck on line 7. So take out that jump at line 8.
Is it line 8?
Yeah, because that jump at line 8 means it's always going to go to if the thing you're on is a data cube.
Oh, but I need that jump there so I don't have to write 17,000 lines of code.
Welcome to programming.
I don't like it.
Yeah, unless you have a way of breaking out of that jump, so that only jumps if a condition. So, on that line, it's if the thing you're on is equal to a data cube, step right, and then just jump. So instead, what you want is some logic that is if the thing you're on is a data cube, and the thing to the right of you is a wall, then go down. So your if should have an and with it, really. So if your thing is equal to a data cube, and the thing to your right is equal to a wall, then jump down.
Ah, right. If thing equal to a data cube, and I'm with you now.
Yeah.
To your right of you equals a wall. I don't need to do anything with that. Jump to here?
Well, I'll be able to tell you when the stream gets here.
Is it lagging or is it just...
Just 7 seconds, yeah.
Ah, right.
Right, do you still have that jump on line 8?
Yes.
Okay, so that's never going to reach line 9.
I need to have that jump there, though.
Why?
Because otherwise I need to tell it to walk across the entire thing, and fuck that.
Let me think. Can you store variables?
I don't know.
Right. Delete your code so far, because we know what we need to do now.
No, fuck you. We fix what we've got.
Okay, then get rid of the jump on line 8. Your logic on line 6 should be if the thing... So that middle one, is that if the thing I'm standing on is a data cube?
Yes.
Okay. So if the thing I'm standing on is a data cube, and the thing to the left of me is a wall, or the thing I'm standing on is nothing, and the thing left to me is a wall, then move down.
Well, I don't need to worry about if the thing I'm standing on is nothing, because they're never going to have that position.
Okay, but they are.
If the thing to the left of me is equal to a wall or nothing.
They can be stood on nothing. For example, when they move below, as soon as they pick up their things, they're standing on nothing.
Right, hold on.
Or is a floor an option?
No, nothing would be. There is nothing on this tile.
Oh, okay, right. So your logic needs to be, if
what
the thing,
I'm standing on,
you need all these conditions. All your conditions are: if the thing below me is empty, move down and place a block. If the thing to the left of me is a wall, move down and down. If the thing to the right of me is a wall, move down and down. So get those conditions in place, and then we'll decide how they move.
To be perfectly honest, I was not paying that much attention.
Okay. Logic part 1. Pick up, step down.
Yeah.
Okay. Logic part 2.
Penis.
Yes. Penis. Logic part 3. If the thing below me is a data cube, I need to move right. If the thing below me is a data cube, I need to move right. If the thing below me is a data cube, I need to move right. And if the thing below me is empty, I need to place a block and move down.
Yes.
And if the thing... Now, why is that guy not moving down? Can they move through blocks?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Because you tell your first guy to move down, but he runs to the back of the pack, doesn't he?
Yeah, because he places his block.
And then runs to the back of the pack instead of moving down?
Therefore, he has no purpose anymore. According to the code, that's it. That's his use done. Because this code relies on him holding both the data pack and being able to detect the data pack.
Okay.
No, wait. I'm going to put that jump back in because... just so that I can see what's going on with the code. I've just moved that step. Where from? There. Okay. Right. So he placed his data cube. So he dropped. No, because he... There must be a way to get past this jump, because he has. So how has he gotten here?
Okay, he got there. Oh, because there's no other conditions, right? So what's his? He's not stepping down though?
No.
Why? Can they step through those blocks? Are you 100% sure?
Oh yeah, I've done it in past mission.
Okay, can they do it in this mission?
Yeah, it doesn't change. The only variables that change is the number on the block and the amount of floor space you have to deal with and the code that they give you. That's the only thing that changes.
If the thing I'm standing on is not equal to a data cube, move down and keep jumping. Else, if the thing I'm standing on is a data cube, step right. Should that not be
I have just fixed it.
If the thing... Have you? What?
I believe I have just fixed it. Nope, I take that back.
Oh, you can jump down in logic? Okay, that's a game changer. Okay, I didn't know you could jump down. Right, that's cool. That's functions. Okay, you actually do have functions with your jump command. Okay, nice. You have recursive functions as well. Fucking nice, man. Okay.
Should I get rid of this all? Because I'm looking at this going, what the fuck is this?
Yeah, get rid of all of it.
Right. Grab another slice of pizza.
I'm gonna get a sausage roll. Hold up.
Right. who the viewer is. Right. If below you equals nothing, step down, step. I wish I could like tell that to step down twice. Else, step left. If below equals data cube, step left. Repeat.
I've returned. Hello.
Else drop. So what I put there did not work. Why did that not work? Ah, because I've set that one up wrong. Okay. Did you see that? Did you see the simple fix I put in there?
Hold up.
So, if that's the case,
You still did that equal to nothing thing again.
yeah, nothing is the floor. So if there is, it's.
But
you'll
if
see
the
why.
thing below you
You'll
isn't
see
a
why
data
in a
cube.
second. You'll see why in a second. If a wall. Step down. Step down. No, because I need to do that twice rather than trying to click it twice. Step down. No, yeah, and then else. Jump here. So now I need to do the same, but now it's opposite. So if to your right equals no. Now if underneath you equals a data cube, step left. And then repeat cycle. Else drop. And then do this. And that should save me a lot of trouble. Right, so how are you stuck here? So, you're trying to step that way because the jump... Ah, the jump commands fucked me over again.
Yep.
Right. Well, actually, hold on. 7. Really, I could do with just putting in 7 of these.
7 of these. What are these?
We'll see in a second. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, that's a
5,
very bad idea.
6.
Very fucking bad idea.
We're fucking going with it.
Oh no.
Ah, I've left the jump command in, my mistake. Oh, what have I done? It's sort of working. It's...
I mean, it's not though, is it?
It sort of is.
I mean, it's not though, is it? Really?
Look! It filled out more than what I've gotten trying this properly.
Aye, but they've gone all spastic.
It was spastic to begin with.
Aye, but they've gone more spastic now.
Right, what the fuck do I do?
Okay. You need to have two conditions, left or right.
Do I
Okay.
need to delete all this again?
Yes.
Well, that
You-
bit up
and-
there is fine, so I can leave that. Get rid
And
of
you
that.
gotta listen, right? You can jump below blocks of code. We
Yes.
now know this. Okay? So, if the thing below you... Alright, so, I guess constantly... Let me think. Okay,
wanna
have this
constant-
logic.
We want to constantly be
No.
testing for a data cube below,
Or a wall.
or a
Oh.
wall to the left or right.
If the thing... Put logic in first, right?
Yep.
If the thing to the right of me is a wall. Okay, that's your first piece of logic.
Yep. That's in. Or
Alright, I'm waiting for this to load.
so that you can see what it is I've done.
Yep. Thing is a wall. Okay, what does your below down guy do? Above that on line 3.
Line 3.
Get rid of him.
Right, do you want me to show you what that does?
Yes.
So that just gets them onto the right line of code. Essentially, once they've done that, I'm putting a jump command in there to stop that from repeating. But that can also be used to help them get to the next line of code if necessary, which is what I'm thinking.
Okay, cool. Okay, so your first piece of logic is if the thing to the right of me is a wall. Okay?
Yep.
Your second question inside that question is if the thing... No, okay, I'll put another if statement below that if statement.
Oh, I think I know what you're doing. You can do and ors on the if statements. So if you're looking for a left one as well, or if the thing to the left of me equal to a wall, you can do that as well. And that'll count as one line. To the left of me equal to a wall. I've put it in there so you can see what it is I'm on about. If that's what you were going to do.
No, what I need is I need two different blocks.
Two different?
Okay, so,
Right.
so we're going to have your master block, which is if to the left, if to the right of me is a wall, then do something. If to the left of me is a wall, do something on two different blocks of code.
Right.
Okay, so if to the right of me is a wall, if to the left of me is a wall.
Right.
Okay, so if to the right of me is a wall, then we check everything below us. Right, no, you do your moving, right? Don't you?
Do the moving? What?
Okay, so if that, down. Okay, so in your down guy.
Yes, the one between the two lines.
Yeah.
Do you want me to jump so that it does that? Because what I'm thinking your meaning is to do that, which will take 7 seconds to load. Because then what will happen is if there's a wall, it'll move down twice.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Do that. Yeah. work with
The
that.
only issue is then it's going to detect the wall the whole way across. Because it's already up against a wall, it's always going to test for that wall. And it's always going to test positive.
Okay, get rid of the wall, guys, and we'll do this. If the thing below me is a data cube, move.
If thing...
If the thing below me is a data cube. Or, if the thing below me is not a data cube, place my block and move down.
Drop and... Oops. Okay.
Hold on. So your logic says what is your logic set at the minute? If the thing I'm on or the thing below?
If the thing that I am standing on is not a data cube, it'll then drop the data cube where I am standing. So
Run that and see what happens.
So it'll not do anything because there's no space.
Yeah.
But essentially where those guys are standing whenever it loads, where they're standing now, they would drop if there was no data cube.
Okay, so are they? Is that guy on block 15?
Yes.
Okay, cool. That's awesome. So if the thing I'm standing on is not a data cube, drop. Else, move right.
Else, step right.
And then repeat the logic where you check for a data cube.
Ah, I see. It's an inverted loop, essentially.
Yeah, recursive. And then run that and see what happens.
Right.
Okay, besides step right, check if you're on a wall. So, step right, and then underneath step right. If the thing to the right of me is a wall, step down.
Do you want that to do step down twice?
Yeah.
So I'll just jump it up to
Step down, yeah.
twice. Right, okay.
Yeah.
I need to stop, so if in the same column with the step right?
Yeah, so below
Equal to a wall.
Yeah, inside that else statement, after you step right, if the thing to the right of you is a wall, move on. And that should, in theory, put everyone to the next line, and then we can work on moving left.
Yeah, essentially it does.
Let me see what it's doing.
It's really just having some sort of heart attack, to be perfectly honest. Some sort of stroke. Not quite sure what's going on.
Okay, what's happening there is, they're never stepping left. Right?
So I need to add
get them...
another.
So inside... Oh, you've no fucking variables, this is shit.
If left equals wall.
If left is empty, move left. If left is wall, move down.
If left equals wall, step. No, if right equals wall, step left. On that one, see if that fixes it. I doubt it will, but I have a little bit of a...
No, because it'll never... Because it'll always... maybe.
No, it will. Judging by how the code's reacting, it's going to test for that wall on the second time. No. No, that's not going to fix it.
Right, if the thing to the left of you... No, that won't work either. You have no variables. Need variables. You literally need variables for this. Unless you want it to be all spastic. Because you could program it all one by one. But you shouldn't need to do that.
Yep, I think I've just solved it.
Yeah, you're doing it spastic.
Yeah, do you have any better ideas?
Yeah, a recursive function.
Do we have a recursive function?
The jump is recursive.
Right. How do we utilize that?
We're trying to, but we've no variables, which is a problem. This is hurting my head. I might play Arma. Why is this spastic game so difficult?
Like, this is just one of the extra levels, by the way. I don't actually have to do this for anything.
Fuck you.
Like, I can go to unzip, right? Alright, unzip, line of data. Move the leftmost data cube up. Then move the next cube in the line down. What? Next one up, next one down. Oh! Okay, moving the leftmost data cube on the tile up. Move the next data cube one tile down. Next up, next down, next. It's unzipping a zipper. What the fuck is this guy put in here? Okay, pick up. This was your fucking code, shut up.
That makes sense actually. So if the left of you is a wall, step up and drop. Right? So then if the left of you is empty, move down and drop.
If.
And that will get the second one going.
Yeah, but then how do we get the one after that moving?
It's not my fucking problem. I'm not getting paid for this.
No, I know how to do this.
Go for it.
I'm gonna delete all this. If what did you equal worker?
Oh, worker's an option? Oh,
Yeah.
that makes it piss easy then. I didn't know worker was an option.
I did say to you there was a load of options. Drop. Nope. Drop. Else. No. If. Worker. Diagonal from you. Or if diagonal from you equal a worker. Step up. Drop. And then jump. Yeah, that works.
I agree with this.
That is satisfying to watch. You see, it's like these extra levels here are fucking piss hard.
Yeah, and then this is piss easy.
Once you get to the blue ones, that's when you start getting proper functions introduced into it, and then it gets into orange and then red. I don't know what's above blue, so like this is fucking entertaining for me. Because how many times have I come to you asking for coding lessons?
Fucking too many, my dude. But they look.
Alright, let me introduce something very dear to my heart. Shredders. They shred anything dropped inside. Anything. Please shred. Oh. I apologize for that. Everyone please shred your data cube. Right. Right. Give to. Ah.
Wait, this is basically codeception.
Yeah, man.
So we now have a give to command.
I wonder how a hack for that would be. So you code something for a game that's coded to code
code.
a game.
The only way to hack this kind of game is if you write the code for the person and then give them an engine to play.
The ultimate mix-up of a hack of this is the actual tutorial.
Yeah.
That's like that's the hack. The walkthrough is the hack.
It's genius, isn't it? Right. So,
like if everything is already coded, what the fuck's the hackers gonna do?
pick up.
Make the code better.
Code. Step down. Step down. I want to see if this shreds the person.
He's gonna. Yeah, it is. Going to shred the person.
No, it's not.
Oh, shred the person, yeah.
And then give to below. Oh, this one's piss easy, actually. Ah! Ah!
Did it shred the person?
Eh. I think you have to do that. You have to have the if statement that just before give to, like, if
is shredder. If is not empty.
No. If the person is holding a cube, then give to shredder. So you have to have it just below, yeah, there.
Equals a
so
shredder.
So if the worker is holding
back
a cube.
Oh fuck. So if I want him to... I can't be bothered with this. There we go.
Oh, hang
Mission
on.
complete.
Before the pickup, say that if in front of you there's a cube, then pick up, and then proceed with the rest.
No, he just shreds himself even quicker. He fucking charges towards that.
All of your logic should be in there.
Yeah, place the double steps and the give to within the if statement.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, continue to elevator. So I'm with you now. Coding is a very new thing.
Only I'm not. I should probably get that game.
No, Turtle, get Shinzen.
What?
If you love yourself by any amount, don't get Shinzen.
Get Shinzen. Shinzen IO is assembly.
Oh, there's an end command.
But didn't you say that you didn't take it?
No, I bought it. I just don't understand it. I haven't read the manual yet.
How the fuck do you expect me to? What was it called?
I sent the link to it. Here you go.
Step up. No, I want step up to be above that. So it steps up. If above equal to a data cube. Pick up above.
So the building of circuits looks okay. The code is holy fuck. Hold up.
It's proper coding.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's the assembly programming language.
If else.
Or you can get Hacknet if you want a good game. Hacknet's really good. It's Linux and stuff.
Oh, I heard about Hacknet.
Hacknet's fucking amazing. I love it.
Yeah, and then I want that to jump to the top there.
Oh wait, I might have heard about something else.
Yeah, right. So that then picks up. I now want you to step down. If below equal to a shredder, give to shredder. Else jump up. And then...
Your boy's gonna test fucking T-FAR from the workshop.
What is it?
T-FAR from the workshop.
You saw the link I sent?
Yeah, man. This one like says beta, like hell, so I'm gonna see if it actually works, and if it does, that means no external mods, because I found a workshop item that allows you to place items with Ace. Oh. Hey, James.
Yes.
You know you should join us.
For armor?
Yeah, man.
I'm actually thoroughly enjoying blowing my brains out with coding.
God damn. That's a first. I never thought I'd hear you say that, to be fair.
So I'm only a couple of days away
it is
from actually
pretty
blowing my brains
mind-blowing.
out. Yeah,
Hey.
to be fair, this is my first proper experience of any form of coding. Because we had Scratch, but did anyone really use or pay attention to Scratch?
Mate,
Yes, I taught
I
A-level
think
classes how to use
I'm
it.
having it worse than you. I'm going to fucking uni. I've basically never touched coding, and I'm expected to learn C++ in 1.5 semester.
Pretty easy though, to be fair.
Well, I mean, I gotta like sit down with it. Fucking.
What you gotta actually learn.
Yeah. The 5th of November, I gotta like hand in a Yahtzee assignment. It's the 3rd compulsory. We gotta make fucking Yahtzee. So it's not just the thing. You gotta have the whole.
Like I was.
And you gotta have like pick 2 modes to play it. So
Oh no.
I think it's basically you gotta have the each dice from 0 to 4, and then having them going randomized. So just a rand from 1 to 6, and then connecting that, and you gotta have 3 throws. So you gotta choose which one you want to hold and which one you don't want to hold, and then you have the 2 more if you want, and it's rolling for all of it.
Are you gonna pay an Indian to do it this time?
No, I think I found some GitHub. Although I should, I mean,
What are you watching?
I mean, I should though, like, fucking. Did you just send all of them into the shredder?
What are you watching, Huck?
I'm
Oh,
listening to
what do
Mind
you-
Turtle say like, oh no, I haven't got an Indian man to do it. I found it on GitHub.
It's the same as an Indian man.
Exactly. The
Yes.
AH said.
No, but the Indian guy, apparently the job he did was real as shit because I was close to getting a fail on it.
Damn.
Yeah. My teacher doesn't like me assigning global statements.
Damn.
Yeah, he don't want that. So he's telling me that next time, if I do a global statement on the 3rd compulsory now, I'm gonna get a fail on that. I'm gonna have to redo it.
Jesus.
Yeah.
That's
So
pretty grim.
no like assigning chars above the main.
What? So no doing what you would normally do in normal programming.
Yes.
That's a bit autistic.
You gotta have basically you gotta have voids, you gotta have ints, and the rest is just thrown into the main. Or you can just like make a whole bunch of voids and then throw all the voids into main.
Yeah, man.
I think you gotta have the pickup being downwards. Like if down equals cube, then pick up, else move down, and then loop that, and when they pick it up, then go over to the shredder statement. So like if worker holding, yeah, I think you have it there.
Yeah.
Hey, Turtle.
Aye?
Do you know much about setting up Ace Medical and game respawns? Because I tried earlier with the Arma 3 respawn system, but I died. But I had like the option to respawn normally, but I got the Ace Medical blacked out vision, so I couldn't do anything.
The Ace Medical Blackout, you mean...
When I've been
Wait.
shot and I'm dying.
Yeah, that's like, you going into shock, basically.
Yeah, but I couldn't see like my UI or anything.
No, because you're in shock.
Right, but if I want to be able to do
No,
shit...
look at it this way. Let's say you get shot in real life.
Yep.
You pass out. You can't see your surroundings, can you?
I mean, I was able to see in front of me, like, so...
Yeah, slightly, but could you move that much?
I mean, a little bit.
Yeah. So imagine like you're getting shot in the leg by a 7.62, right?
That's a different story.
It hurts for once.
Yep.
You go into shock, you fall over, and you later the pain is overwhelming, and it sort of goes to your brain and basically shocks you out. You are conscious, sorta, and you can look around, but you can't move because you're shocked and paralyzed. So that's the reason you could see, but you can't move that much.
Okay, next question then. If my character has enable damage false, why did I still die?
Might be. What? I'm just watching Kerbas like explode.
Figured it.
Now, like, if down is blocked, pick up, move right, then throw in. Then no, not okay.
I figured it out.
Yeah. To the ace. It might be ace settings. Hey, can you just send me the folder, or the preset?
The mod file?
Yeah.
Yeah, give me one sec. I managed to make my game go down to 4 FPS earlier.
Holy.
Because
fuck,
of the amount of shit that was happening. Like, because of live logic, I was driving through this area where there was like 10 helicopters just blowing the fuck out of Taliban. And I was like, oh, well, this is what lag feels like then.
Come on.
Gotta love a good bit of lag is good for the soul.
Is it, any, are we still using the live?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
In fact, do you want to do what JJ did? I'll host the server and you can join through the launcher and get the mods.
Yes.
Alright, I'll do that.
But is it actually any other,
I took out Eden fortifications, I put in Ace and Ace placeable, and removed stamina from Ace.
Okay. There you go.
Server is
Eden,
up.
and then you use Ace and Ace Interaction menu expansion.
Didn't use interaction menu. I used this lot items, and I used remove stamina. But the server is up. You should be able to see it.
Right. Okay. All workers must hold a data cube of a value 50 or bigger.
Ah.
Right.
Then if cube below is bigger than or equal to 50, then pick up.
Well, no, because I need to pick it up and shred the ones that are lower than 50. So.
Oh, so you gotta shred the ones that's lower. Okay, then you just say if cube below is less than 50.
I've got my item now, so
up.
I can do if my item equals less than or more than.
Yeah, you have that in. Yeah. You click on the double equal sign. There. No, go. The double equals. There. You pick the second last one. There we go.
Yeah. There's a 7-second delay, so.
Yeah. And then you just put the number up to 50. Where's plus minus? Yeah. Then you set if cube.
Yeah, and then else step that way.
Yeah.
And then step that way. I'm just gonna make that repeat so they just end up standing against a wall.
So, wait, hang on. You have first step, then pick up, and then if the item... Oh yeah, then it's give to a shredder, yeah? And then you pick up next item.
Yeah.
If else, then step right and back up, and then you loop all that to the pickup? Or to the step?
Oh, I need to get... I'm gonna test that one for now, see if that command line works. They just picked up the shredder.
What?
They just... yeah. So, I can't use pickup. That was my issue. It was take from. So they should come down here, take from that. It's all above thing. Thank you, because that's what I wanted to test there. Ah, right. And I've accidentally...
you gotta loop the jump all the way up. You have the jump looped after the else statement.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a look at that in a second.
I can't find the server mark, but what was the other ace mod?
Bold.
What?
Bold.
Bold.
Bold, wait one.
Oh. What program do you use for live stream to YouTube?
OBS.
Server should be up now. Because I really don't want to close my game and find the name of the mod.
Yeah.
Okay,
Good
that
look.
works. That first line of code works. The rest of it doesn't. But the first line does.
Fuck, I didn't take out some units. It's broken. Hold up.
Oh yeah,
So
maybe. Hold on.
that needs to go.
No. Let's see. Each worker go down, and if the item is less than 50, then you throw in the incinerator.
And
Then
then go back
maybe
and take
try.
the next one.
Then else, pick up, and move. Or you could maybe try 2 if statements. If item is less than 50, then throw an incinerator. And then if item is
Server's up.
bigger than or equal to, so it's the third last, yeah? No, the third last. You gotta have the 52.
Okay.
So it's bigger than or equal to, so it counts 52, because now it just has a bigger than 50, which is from 51 and onwards. So you gotta have the what's it called? The icons they use?
The icons.
Yeah, like bigger than and less than.
Oh yeah.
Uh,
I'm just trying to think here. So that works.
oh, I think it's maybe place the jumps. Try having the second if statement as an else to the first one and loop the jump all the way back up. Try that,
second
yeah.
if statement as an
No,
else.
just try that first. See what happens. Yeah, try that.
I think that works.
Yeah.
I think that genuinely works.
I think that works, yeah.
How does that work? How have one of these...
No, because each character there, when they go down, and if there is someone else in front of them, they have to wait for their turn. Now, when it comes to their turn, they have the option, and they see the cube as, if this is smaller than 50, I will take this up, I will throw it away, because I don't want it. Then go loop back up again and see next cube. That one is 50 or bigger. I will take that and I will move on. Next person's turn.
But I was winging that. I'm genuinely surprised someone didn't just voluntarily launch themselves into a shredder.
No, because they weren't told to. There were no statement in there that would tell them to that if the block is less than 50, you should throw yourself. No, you should first throw the cube, then you should throw yourself. There were no statement in there that would consider that to be one of the rules. If that makes sense.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Mark, I think I'm learning more about programming than I believe myself.
Mm-hmm.
I'm learning something. Oh no! Oh no! What is this one? Why does it have random number generators?
Oh, it's probably the RAND statement.
Only the
But
worker.
that doesn't tell you much, does it?
Right. All workers must pick up the data cube directly in front of them. Only the worker or workers with the highest data cube may remain. All other workers must dive. So I need to do test statements for the workers next to them.
Oh, if you had a for statement there, you can just like run a single. Wouldn't that work, Mark? Like having a single.
He has a
for
jump
loop?
statement. He can jump. So he can do everything infinity when he jumps.
Wait, so jump is basically like a for.
Let's go back
no.
to this point in code.
Do you have jump in C++?
You have go. You know, you can. No, you have a thing called a recursive function, which in my tutorial I write out a recursive function for you. They're very, very complicated to understand. I'm going to do it as a PHP one, just so you know this. So function is thing.
I think we've actually been through recursion. Where was that in week 40? Oh fuck.
Where's this recursive code?
Hold up. Is that the lecture notes I see? Hold up. Holy shit, the previous... I think we got like a new programming teacher. He made a fucking... like what we went through in that class.
Oh fuck that.
Oh shit. Hey Kerbas, do you want to see what we're going through? If you open the file browser for...
There we go.
the programming.
Function is thing. Brackets.
So
$test.
function is thing. I'm passing in a variable test, and I'm assigning the variable new test equal to test. And if new test is not equal to testing, then I'm going to run the function is thing again forever until test is equal to test. Nice.
That's like brute forcing your way through code.
Yep. Let me see if I can get one I actually used in work.
Can we just go into this page instead, because it looks easier to see and it doesn't create fucking smileys.
What language is this in? JavaScript?
We can change that.
Put it in JavaScript.
JavaScript, okay, hang on. JavaScript, yep.
And can I run the code I'm writing?
No, but it's here to be visible. So change the theme. Oh wait, fuck this.
What should I do? What should I do? What code should I write?
One that plays games for me. A code that makes me
You're
good at
already
Siege.
doing that.
A code that makes me good at Siege.
So
I can
you
do
want
that
a
for you.
code that teaches you how to code.
In fact,
To be honest,
actually, I'm
I
gonna
would
download
like that
Siege.
myself because
I'm
I
gonna
need
download
that in
Siege.
C++.
I'm downloading Siege, but I'm playing Arma first. Hey James, you should play Arma with us.
No,
Why?
Yes,
I don't have armor installed.
Don't fucking lie to me.
fucking
I'm
dick
not
nugget.
fucking lying.
Did you uninstall it last night?
Yes.
Don't lie to me, James.
Are you party?
I'll make your computer play fucking piano noises again, cunt.
Don't you fucking think about it.
The man has a piano. He's not afraid
Where
to
is
use
this
it.
even downloading to? Right, cancel that download. Games, Siege. Locate installed game. No thank you.
That picks up, right. I actually think I want them to move down.
I don't know where this is downloading to, but it's downloading 60 gigs, and I don't have anywhere on my computer that has 60 gigs.
Yeah, Mark.
Hello?
Rainbow Six Siege is over 100 gig.
Yeah. Open file location. Games. Tom Clancy. Right, that's in my C drive, bro. Sorry, I don't have that space. You can just like go away. Yeah, won't be playing Siege anytime soon. Turtle, you joining to see if these mods work?
I'm just gonna write in what they went through yesterday when I wasn't there. It should be in the... Fucking my equals E is like so retarded because actually I'm gonna change the name.
You know what I hate about VHF radios?
They're very
When you
high
put them
command,
beside
isn't
it. No. They scream when you put them beside each other.
Like kids.
I'm taking my headset
Literally,
off.
like,
I made a very good decision.
Oh, here we go. Hey Mark, check the code share. It's the Matrix theme.
I wonder if there's anywhere in my room that doesn't fucking squeal like a pig.
Greater than my item.
Big turtle fuck.
Aye.
Can you join and see if this workshop mod works?
Yeah, set up mods and join.
Codeshare.io.
I
used to
don't know what.
But that
What?
reminds me, I used to know someone called Iona. I'm gonna see if I can find her on Facebook.
They should play Paper.io.
No.
Paper.io is pretty fun.
Iona Davies.
You what?
Iona. Why do I recognize that name so clearly?
We were Skype.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. From Wheels. Iona Davies.
Just not-
Oh, mate!
User
It's my
joined your
boy.
channel.
It's my boy!
Oh, here's the J. Yeet.
Yeet, my dude. Switch your mics, bro.
Alright. Anybody?
Hello.
Hi.
Alright, my sensitivity's set to. Look, give me a second. Okay, that should work.
Yes.
Alrighty. So, I was
Yes.
missing a couple things yesterday.
Yeah. What version of TeamSpeak do you have? 2.2. Right. You're gonna have to backdate your TeamSpeak.
I haven't updated this thing in forever. How do I?
I know.
How do I backdate it?
I will send you a link.
All right.
He also needs to.
You'll
update
need that.
The far.
And yeah, you'll need to get the tfar plugin from the dev branch on GitHub.
Send me a link. Which client? The 3.1. Got it.
Yes.
Why are you using an older version of the TFAR?
We're using an older version of TeamSpeak to use a newer version of tfar.
That's fucking weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed when I updated my TFAR got deleted out of my plugins. So
You will need TeamSpeak plugins. Think you'll need this? I'm not sure. I think it's that. And mine turtle. Hopefully this works.
hold on one sec. I'll be back. I think my mom's here. Give me 10-15.
Alright. So turtle, if all goes well, this works.
Yeah.
The tfar version we have installed from the workshop will just work.
I hope so because it had a couple of reviews.
Yeah, man.
But I had to. I put on most popular and then 1 week because I couldn't do more. Search up TFAR. I had to go to like the 4th or 5th page to find it.
Yeah. Might take a second to load in as well because of Alive, but that's alright. And let me know when you're ready up.
Yeah, will do.
I'm gonna draw a cock on the map. There's a cock on the map and it looks like a W. Oh my god.
What?
That's a huge cock.
Oh, you did. Where did you draw one?
I deleted my cock.
Oh, cock, like,
I'm gonna
or skunk.
Hey
Yeah.
James, it's your song.
What?
No cock, wait,
Oh,
horse
I heard a
cock.
beep.
No, cock like horse cock. Da 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 da.
Alright, where the fuck is mine turtle? Oh, hello.
Hello?
Hey!
Hey!
I Lamau!
Equals.
I've also noticed a really fucking annoying thing, mine turtle, about this bastard weapon attachment mod. Every time
Yeah.
I load a kit, I have to put my fucking torch on.
Oh. Do you have it on 105.8?
Yep.
Oh, it fucking works!
Yeah! I also find
Jeez.
a really cool thing. I can set players' default frequency. So as soon as we join in, everyone will be on 105.8.
Please do.
Yeah, man, it'll be so good.
Can you also set the long range at 32 then?
Yep, I can!
Wait, can we also have like... why is there 2 tanks?
Oh, that's alive. That's just AI, man.